Hey there, it's me again. It's Jonas, the JBRC YouTube channel. Welcome to my little channel here. I got this watch from Banggood the other day. It's been 2 or 3 days since I've had it. It cost me about 30-40 bucks. It's a smartwatch, so it measures different things, different parameters. Like it can count how many steps you make in a day. It gives you your sleep, it gives you your heartbeat, how many beats per minute. It can measure how many steps you run or how many steps you take and how many steps you walk and things of that nature. So right now I have it mounted on my, see, it can take your blood pressure as well. I don't know if you can see that or not. Put it in the shade here so you can see it better. So you can take your blood pressure and also measure your oxygen. It's measuring right now. Obviously the watch is not on my wrist, so it's not measuring my oxygen level. The last measurement was this is the result, 97. Heartbeat, heart rate, blood pressure. Where's the what else? Okay, so what I want to do, since I put the watch on top of my RC car, what I want to do is, hello, I want to see how many steps walking, how many steps it's gonna, my RC car is gonna take. Well, we'll see how measure the distance that it's gone. Hello. This watch is kind of cheap, so it doesn't work that well. Okay, so let's put it on the ground. Let's film it. Let's put it here, about over here. Hey, what happened? Car's not working. Why not? Are you serious? Okay. That thing moves so well, did it? Hilarious. After this, we're going to check the watch to see if it's recorded any measurements. It broke my car. Oh well. The body's destroyed. After 4 minutes, hello. $255 steps. So after 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes, I would say, the car covered 255 steps. So it's like as if I took 255 steps. That's the distance that the RC car ran around here on the balcony. So that's it. That's all I wanted to try to experiment with. So I guess the experiment was a success. The only thing is that you can't take the heart rate of it because it's a toy, right? A toy car, so you can't measure that. But it walked, the RC car walked 255 steps. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day. Bye bye.